Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to YYC Customs. I'm your host Arjun, and today I'm going to be removing vinyl decals from cars. Now there's more than one method to do this. Some people use their fingers to peel off the vinyl. That really doesn't work. It's going to hurt your nails and stuff. I'm going to show you guys how it's supposed to be done the right way. Let's get into it. So to do this job, you need pretty basic tools. First off, I have this blanket over here, which is very soft. I have a special adhesive remover. If you want more details on that, leave in the comments below and I'll get back to you. We need an extension cord, a plastic squeegee, a straight edge metal razor with a holder, a microfiber towel, a heat gun, and a shop towel. So step number one would be taking this very soft blanket material and laying it right on the hood of the car. I basically do this to protect the paint. If you guys don't have this, it's not necessary, but in case if you're working not on your car but a customer's car, I would really highly recommend this so it doesn't damage the paintwork. Now we got our heat gun set up over here. Before I turn the heat gun on and start to do it, I'm just going to walk you through on how it's done. So turn your heat gun on, and basically what you want to do is stay about 6 to 8 inches away from the vinyl and hover the heat gun. A very important tip is not to leave the heat gun at one place for too long, but instead to keep it moving so you don't cause any hot spots. After that, you'll be taking your straight edge razor and slowly jamming the corners of the decal and slowly peeling them off. Alright, let's skip to the time lapse. So as you can see, after the time lapse, we have removed all the vinyl out, and what is left is this annoying residue. Alright, so we take our solution, which is our premium adhesive remover, and we are going to generously spray where the adhesion residue is. With this product, you don't have to use a lot of it. You could use little as possible. And the best part about this is that it's water soluble, so that after you're done, you could wash it down with soapy water and it will be just fine. So after a minute or so, I don't know if the camera picks this up, but you can see all the residue particles are starting to bead up. At this point, you're going to take a squeegee or a credit card. You could use your metal straight edge razor, but just to be careful, I use a plastic squeegee so we don't scratch the glass. And what you want to do is literally push it down. And once you do this, I don't know if you can see the squeegee, but all the residue gets stuck up over here. Take a shop towel, wipe it down, and repeat to the rest of it. So as you guys can see, most of the residue has already been removed from the windshield using our special solution. After I remove everything, what I like to do is take another sheet of shop towel right here, fold it into fourths, always spray it close so we don't get this anywhere else. Just like that. And just give that a final wipe to just remove any pesky little particles if there are any. This has to be a really good wipe now. So make sure it's perfect on this side. Let's scoot over there to the other side and continue. So right now would be the final step. I didn't show this in the first solution. This is what I call the glide solution. It's like a good cleaner. It's like a soapy water solution. You could use soap and water if you don't have this thing. What I like to do is spray my microfiber towel a little bit and spray this whole area down wherever you put the adhesion remover, it will spray it down. Be super generous with this stuff here. And then take a microfiber towel and give it one final one. So there you go, guys. Here's how to uninstall a vinyl decal the professional way. If you follow my method, you won't leave any streaks. There's no way you're going to scratch your glass. And the special adhesion remover solution I've been telling you about is not only safe to use on glass, but it's also safe to use on the paint. So if you have decals on the body of the car, you could still use it, but I would caution you to use it at a very small, like invisible to the eye kind of area first to see if it discolors the paint, and then use it for the rest of the vehicle. I personally used it on this car to remove some stickers on the body. Worked perfectly, there wasn't any residue, no scratches. Alright guys, I guess that's a wrap. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next episode. It's your boy Arjun. Peace out.